Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the Hisense 75-inch QD7 series. So a 75-inch OLED 4K smart TV that promises vibrant colors, serious gaming performance and the premium features at a competitive price. But the question here is it actually worth buying in 2026? So if you want to check out the price details, the link is in the description box below. So if I talk about the first feature of this TV, it's quantum dot technology. That means richer color, deeper contrast and over a billion shades on the screen. It also includes the 4K AI upscaler, which enhances the lower resolution content, so even older shows look sharper. For gamers, this TV brings a native 144 Hz of refresh rate and Game Mode Pro. The translation, it is very smoother gameplay, lower input lag and better performance in the fast-paced titles. It also get Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, which is going to deliver more cinematic visuals and impressive sound. On the smart side, it runs on the Google TV with the built-in voice control and Alexa compatibility. Navigation is also smooth and the apps load quickly. Now, if I talk about its real world performance, so the picture quality is impressive for this price point. The colors pop, bright scenes look vibrant, and gaming feels very fluid. However, it is not perfect. The plastic build doesn't feel ultra premium. During very fast action scenes, you might notice slight motion blur or screen tearing. And while Dolby Atmos helps, the built-in speaker lack deep bass. So if you are looking for a large 75-inch 4K OLED TV with strong gaming performance and vibrant visuals without paying the flagship prices, the Hisense QD7 is a smart choice for you. So if you want to check this out, again the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.